So hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm with Terry here, and he's actually, this is part of the process. You know, people always say, and how come you use so much brake clean? Well, we got to get in there and rinse everything off real well, all the dirt and grease and oil. So clean it all up, wipe it all down, make sure everything's, you know, nice and tight and secure. And you know, it's just part of our wheel bearing process when we're cleaning the backing plates. So typically, what do you usually use, Terry, per brake job? How many cans would you say you go through, depending on how greasy it is?
How greasy it is, minimum 3 to 4 cans.
3 to 4 cans.
Cleaning the hubs, and the backing plates.
And then cleaning the center equalizers and stuff too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one looks pretty dirty as well. Okay, well, stay tuned for more, and we'll be back. This is an Outdoors RV that we're doing a wheel bearing pack service on, and Terry's going to go and scuff up the brakes. Go ahead, Terry. He's going to go ahead and rough up the brakes a little bit so it's got a nice new surface on it. We go through and give them a scuff to make them so they'll rebite the surface of the hubs, and then just wait for them to get that sand in there. But make sure you join us on our Outdoors RV group. It's Outdoors RV Owners. What's in the Shop with Dustin. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.